To set up hard fall detection on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we're gonna swipe up on the watch face and we're gonna go to settings. Once you open settings on your watch, you want to scroll down in here and search for safety and emergency. Once we are here, you can find the hard fall detection, so let's just tap over here, and then we can turn this feature on. Besides that, we have additional settings that are definitely worth checking out. Like, for example, we have require swipe to call. So in order to prevent accidental emergency calls, you will need to swipe the call button on the screen after a hard fall is detected. So if the hard fall if it's detected on your watch, then you will have to swipe to actually call emergency. Besides that, we have the option to play a sound on both your smartwatch and your phone in case the hard fall is detected, and you can tap test sound in order to hear how the sound sounds like. Besides that, we have the option to choose what number we want to call or what number the watch should call when the hard fall is detected. And by default, of course, it's going to be probably the number that is used for main emergency contact, so you might want to change that to something specific, of course. And besides this list, you can also set up a custom number in case your emergency number that you want to call with your watch is not there. We can also choose when the hard fall detection should actually be active. So by default, hard fall detection only works when you perform a workout, when a workout activity is activated or detected on your watch. And you can also switch that to always. So of course, this might be recommended for those who often, like for example, faint or something, they have some health issues and they are afraid that they will, for example, pass out or something, and they want to make sure that the help is going to arrive in case that happens. So of course, if that is the case for you, then you can easily enable the always option. And besides that, we can send SOS to emergency contacts as well. So if you have emergency contacts added, then you should be able to send SOS to them as well, in addition to, of course, in addition to calling emergency number. Over here, we also have an information that we can automatically call an emergency number when your watch detects a hard fall. So this is just an explanation of this feature. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.